Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to make a chocolate caramel tart. It is literally the easiest dessert to make and you only need a few ingredients. Add a thin layer of caramel into a ready-made pastry case. Add double cream to a pot. When it starts to simmer slightly, turn the gas off. Now add the chocolate. Mix it until it's well combined and very creamy and chocolatey. Add the melted chocolate to the pastry case. Tap down the tart so the chocolate spreads evenly. Now you can add the crushed flake to decorate. Put the tart in the fridge for 2 hours before serving, or you can put it in the freezer for 1 hour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. I upload every week. Bye!